of the things that I always say to startups is you have to interact with your user group. And there's a lot of examples why, but here's one. I was working with a startup. They had an idea, they went out and pitched it to a company, the potential customer of theirs. And the customer said, "That's a fantastic idea. We will evaluate if we potentially should put that in our portfolio so our customers can look into that." But the only thing that the startup heard was, "It's a fantastic idea." They didn't hear all the maybes. So they went back, they kept developing their product, and a year later they came back and they asked the company how many they wanted to buy. And then the company said, "We're actually really not interested in your product. We were just being kind." So you have to interact with your user group. You have to have them invest so you can get trustworthy, reliable feedback. Because if nobody wants to buy your product at the price that you have to charge for it, due to production and shipment and all of that, you should either find something else to do or look into if you could do things differently. But that version of your product is not working as a business product.